Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be discussing about the tokens and coins in the crypto trading pairs. So in particularly there's a distinguishing aspect between the coins and currencies. The major one being that most of the tokens are normally derived from uh, the coins. So essentially, you have like the first trading pair, which is normally the base, being the being the being the token, and then we have like the quote being the currency of the coin. So in this case, maybe I can just give you an example. Like for instance, if we are trading the Doge, which is a meme coin, and then you have like the USDT, which is the stable coin. You have essentially the token being the base, which is normally the Doge in this particular case, and then we have like the quote being the quote currency being the USDT. So in another example, I'll give another example of the Cardano, which is abbreviated as ADA. The ADA will be the token, and then you have like the quote currency or the quote being the USDT, which is the US dollar tether. So essentially, if we are trading, and in this particular application that we do have, we have like the different categories of the tokens. The tokens you can have like the storage coins, the meme coins. As I mentioned, the meme coin, you have the Doge. You can see the Doge there. So there are different categories. You have the infrastructure, the fund token, the launchpad, and all those. You can select any particular category that you feel resonates with you and you want to trade with. So in this particular case, I'll just go with the layer 1 and layer 2. The layer 1 and layer 2, for instance, I can go with Cardano, abbreviated as ADA. It's actually named after the first programmer who was a lady named Ada. So I'll just go with that one. I'll go with the stable coins. The stable coins is I'll just go with the but there are different stable coins. You have like the Binance USDT, you have the Binance Great Britain Pound, you have the PAX, you have the True US Dollar, you have the USDT, which is the US Dollar Tether, you have the USDC, which is the USD coin. So in this case, I'll just go with the USDT, which is the US Dollar Tether. You can see once you've selected the coin pair, will reflect with those particular coins. And another point to mention, when you come to the application, you have like the different coin pairs. So most of the popular ones being traded, you can visibly see them around here. So all these are the most popular ones which are traded. So in this case, I can select like the time interval that I want to perform my analysis. In this case, I'll select the 1 hour interval. I can also select the start date to be somewhere close to January, and then I'll have like January 4th. The end date is is the recent date that you're trading with. So in this case, I will select the current day. I'll just go with like 1 day time frame, and then I can start my analysis by pressing the start analysis. So having done that, I'll obtain like the historical data, which is between the two dates that I've selected. So from there I can visibly see, you know, the data being displayed. I can also get the descriptive statistics, which are you know, the number of values, you know, the days between, you know, the start date of this one, which is uh, first of sorry, the 4th of January, and you know, the 15th of August. So I can get, you know, all those values which are between that range, which if I kind of change the interval, obviously the count will obviously change, and then you can get the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum value between, you know, the range that we have, the 25th percentile, the 50th percentile, and the 75th percentile, the maximum value for all those values that we have, you know, the open, close, and all those. So you can use this particular information to trade with. I'll also be using the same to also illustrate how you can use them to you know, trade with. And this particular instance is actually refreshing the data, but in this case it won't be reflected, because with the interval that we are working with is actually 1 day. So after 1 day, yeah, the data will be refreshed. That's just essentially the tokens and coins crypto. You can use this particular application to you know, go around with, you know, the different tokens and cryptos, and you can be able to trade with them fully. So that's it. You can also get the application link from the description down there below, and see you in the next tutorial. Thanks.